Hey guys, let me show you how to connect this Go Plus Play speaker to your iPhone. So let's get started. Firstly, we need to turn on this speaker by simply clicking this power button on the top of it. So you'll hear a chime and it will light up, just like this. And now we need to click this Bluetooth button right here near the power button. So it will go in a pairing mode and you will hear a chime and it will start blinking white. Great. Now we need to take our device and go in the settings. Here, go in Bluetooth section and enable it by clicking on the switcher. And now you will see the name of this device in the list of other devices. Just select it and wait a couple of seconds. Great, and now it is paired because you can see the name of our device in the list of my devices. And now you can listen your favorite music using this speaker. So that's all for now. I hope this video was useful for you and thank you so much for watching.